Most people get this wrong when using Albert transfers. They send money expecting it to arrive instantly, then panic when they don't see it right away. Here's the truth, no one tells you. Albert transfer times depend on the type of transfer you're making, and understanding the difference can save you a lot of stress. In this video, you'll learn how long Albert transfers typically take in 2026, what affects processing times, and what to do if your money seems stuck. By the end, you'll know exactly what to expect. Let's get straight to the answer. If you're transferring money between Albert and a linked bank account, standard transfers usually take anywhere from 1 to 3 business days. In some cases, it may be faster, but weekends and bank holidays can extend the timeline. For example, if John initiates a transfer on Monday morning, there's a good chance he'll see the funds arrive within a few business days. But if he starts the transfer on Friday evening, processing may not begin until the next business day. But here's the problem. This is where most people fail. They assume business days and calendar days are the same thing. They're not. Banks generally process transfers only on business days, which means weekends can create delays even when everything is working correctly. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Some Albert features may offer faster transfer options. Depending on eligibility and account status, certain transactions can arrive much sooner than standard transfers. However, availability can vary, and not every user qualifies for the same transfer speeds. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to check whether your transfer is actually delayed or simply still processing. The first thing you should do is open the Albert app and review the transaction status. If the transfer shows as pending, the system is usually still processing it. That's a small win because it means the request was received successfully. For example, Jake transfers money to his external bank account. The app shows the transaction as pending for a short period before the receiving bank completes processing. This is normal behavior. But here's another important point. Receiving banks can sometimes add their own processing time. Even after Albert completes its part, the destination bank may need additional time to post the funds to your account. This is where many users become confused. They see the transfer marked as completed and expect immediate availability. If your transfer takes longer than expected, double-check your linked bank information and review any notifications from Albert. If everything appears correct and several business days have passed, contacting customer support may be the next step. So how long does an Albert transfer take in 2026? Standard transfers generally take 1 to 3 business days, while some eligible transfers may arrive faster depending on the service being used. The key takeaway is simple. Always consider business days, check your transfer status, and give the receiving bank time to process the funds. If this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.